Hi everybody. Today I want to talk to you about how to improve the public speaking ability. You might say, why should I learn public speaking? Like, I don't want to become like a politician or don't want to go to that career which I need public speaking. So that's up to you. Public speaking, if that's one of the quality, if you learn, it will give you some good confidence for your other things also. And those students who want to do presentation in your classes, or if you want to do some other projects, it will help you. So I will give you some tips how to improve the public speaking. So one of the point, like public speaking, I would not suggest you go right away to the big crowd and big microphone, go to the microphone and there's thousands of people there and so I want to make a speech. That will be, I think, very terrible experience. Maybe sometimes some people think, oh, my throat gets dry and I can't speak even. So because you never did practice, let's start point number one. Point number one is that first you start reading loud. If you want to do faster, then the best thing then you have to do more practice. Instead of reading one page a day or one chapter, you do read the whole book a day. It needs practice. Practice makes perfect. So that's your first tip, that you read loud in your chapter or book, and once you get practice for that one, we'll go to point number two. Now the point number two is this, that you make one presentation ready, and that presentation 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and that presentation you can memorize that. So once you memorize that topic, you need to find one crowd, audience, where you will find. If you are a student, ask your teacher, or your presentation you do anyhow, so might as well you do in front of your class. You need a crowd, you need an audience in front of. If you don't find anybody else, might as well ask your family to sit in front of you and you talk in front of them, or ask your friends to sit in front of you. But sometimes in your family or friends, you are very informal. You will not find a right crowd to talk. So now your point number three. So now you are in a position that you made one speech ready, you memorize that one, and you are talking in front of that crowd. Try to make some action in that also. Like suppose you say, oh, somebody is going up, so you can put your hands up, or you can say, oh, this is low or something. So try to put some action on it. Put your voice up and down also according to the dialogues of that. So right now you memorize that presentation and you are talking in front of your group. The next step is this one. This time you are not memorizing the whole speech. You are just writing points. If you're talking about how to lose weight, so you make some presentation ready for that, like you say exercise. So now you just say you remember that exercise, you talk about that. You don't need to remember or you don't need to memorize that. Then you should know the next point is diet. So you talk about the diet. Now the final point is called extempore. Extempore in the dictionary, if you see, it says like some of the speech, you don't need any topic. You are in the stage or something and somebody say, why not you can talk about this topic, and you don't get to prepare before that and you just talk about that topic. Just like in parliament or something, you see that sometimes somebody talks one speech and somebody has to reply that speech, answer or arguments right away. They don't have a time to talk to their colleagues, or they don't have a time to prepare that speech. They will just stand up and they say, you know what, this argument should be like that way. That's called extempore. That's you are basically the final stage where you can talk in front of everybody without preparation. The only thing that I can add this one here, basically once you will get that grip, you will know public speaking is nothing but just to talk. Just need one little confidence, practice. Once you do that confidence and practice and those steps by steps, one day you will see you can do public speaking. You are a good public speaker, but always do this. First do those points step by step and you will be a very good public speaker, and you can use that public speaking. Like there is a lots of places. If you want to become lawyer, it will help you. If you want to go to politician, it will help you. If you want to maybe go to the media or newsreader or drama or movies or any other, lots of careers related to public speaking, you can choose those careers also, because it will help you dialogue delivery and everything. That public speaking quality, it will boost up your confidence and raise your self-esteem also. So hopefully it helps you, those points helps you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for giving me your time. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Thanks.